fellow compatriot, fellow Southern Cameroonians, I go talk for pidgin so that me all man understand. We get two important news and some story for up on the eye. The first thing I saw when around here say they ran release some people the way they be catch them, including that consortium, their leaders them. Mancho BBC and plenty other people in the way they never release them. They see them from Kondengi. They get student for day, they get teacher then for day, they get papa for picking for day. They don't release the people that because of what? Because of one thing, because of Ghost Town. Because Ran talk say if they catch one of our picking them again for Bamenda, then carry and go Yaoundé, we know what do nothing. Because they want fight for people that right. All we will go stop until that man go release it. Now the only power that will get them that country for save for ourselves and for save our future them. Secondly, now because the governing council, that people they fight for our independence and for freedom for Southern Cameroon, they don't make success for United Nations. With plenty government, they don't begin support we now say we must get right for choose again. When I say in those days, people that don't vote for plebiscite, say we go join French people them. They be go say they want go join the negotiation for talk for table for Fumban conference. Jongu Foncha no be sign any book for day. Because he no be signed, they talk say they will come meet up again. Instead, Ahijo use power, seize Southern Cameroon for Jongu Foncha hand. Seize what bank them, seize all our government in the way we work for our picking them. For that day up to today, so Anglophone picking they need see light. You the same picking of a school, then come out if they no travel going for abroad. Last year they make recruitment for army. Out of 1,000 recruitment they make only 6 Anglophone and they inside. Picking they go school, the only future na see me then come out travel go for outside. Plenty were picking and they for outside they don't go book. They don't get chance for inside that country because na Anglophone them. What I talk so we must fight back for get back our country back. For reverse that decision where they didn't take and before some will go join white man country them. And for United Nations, we already succeed, we almost reach a final point. Now why don't we probably the one release some of the people then so that if you go live for they say no problem all day. And it be very important more now understand the one say school boycott for keep what picking them for has it be very important. Because now because picking them should don't for has with the white man they say it be very urgent, say me then solve the problem nah so. Because we no go fight war. We see call when I say me all man keep it picking them for has. For one thing, they say so other people that are picking them for prison. If you send your own picking for school, that means say you betray the faith for the people that are picking them for prison for day. You betray the power the way they for inside prison for day. We must stand say if they no move all man for that prison, nothing no go work out for that country. Secondly, I say when I keep picking them for has facility. Now a voice for show white man the way they for United Nations say this so we want move separate we cut food for this French people that government way it bring we not only batting they don't carry all our kako, carry all our resources them they feed only own people them for day who are on picking and office sit day for light. We know some people then they way they for government they work they get government work they need to be careful for people the way they suffer they need to be careful to suffer people the people they don't get anything. We know some people then they for church this church missionary the way their own concern are only for palava school fees or boarding school for begin take money for people that don't make money they're not careful when I suffer people them. People already there for outside country. Now they don't send money for support that economy for a long time and then get family them back for this. So we care about una. The problem not be stand up for people that they for outside. We for outside we talk now because we want give voice for people that for inside country they not fit talk because they fear that could do the way they are send for you and they begin cash people the way they talk freely. Now why that would they talk for una on una behalf? I would talk say this time me all man hold a picking for back. Me man no send a picking for school for protest peacefully for make a me United Nations solve the problem nah so. I would call on church people them just like Desmond Tutu for South Africa be talk to me people picking they no go school for me then change their situation for the just like picking for America black people they suffer then talk me that picking they no go school so that me then solve the problem nah so. The picking for Scotland do want to be the first time they don't talk to me picking they no go school. They talk to me picking they no go school now for secure their future. You go send picking me go school come up be waiting. We out of 1,000 picking now only 6 they take for we. Tell me picking and go be waiting. Any man where you send your picking for school, you don't betray the whole people they are picking. That means you don't care for other poor people that are picking them. We call and say, Muna execute this ghost town, go up counter, Muna whole grass. Me all man whole picking them back for protect picking their future and for protect the poor people them. And for make sure say me the never picking can catch people them where they never do anything. For safe Southern Cameroon will require sacrifice. The one better pass war. We talk say Muna enforce this school boycott with non-violence means. They need to talk to me man key man, but we talk to Muna demonstrator so we need freedom. Truly. Me man no go school. Me man mo obey this 3 days ghost town until next month. For make sure say when the United Nations, all that government they go gather they go see say true we want cut food with that government for Yaoundé, for save our own future, for make sure say move control our own territory like high BB before, for make sure say they go give una that right for plebiscite, move una go change that result for plebiscite, una vote which una already want, and now una unite, now una right, human right for do and so, because even law for Cameroon talk say the contract with Cameroon and sign our United Nations, it big pass the Cameroon law. So when I get right for boycott, when I get right for hold back when I picking for school for secure their future them. When I don't see how police they go clear grass for Sacred Heart, for show say them care for una, but they no care for una. The same police they don't keep people them. Now the same police they become for men, the people they run. That police they no care anything for una, because inside una village, for how many Janan and live for una village, how many Anglophone they live for, that means una own picking they no fit work for una own side. We must stop this slavery and this Mbami walk down the worker for La République du Cameroon. We must hold grass for make sure say me the governing council he work for United Nations, me succeed, because that already begin reach a victory. I will call all men of God them. Say now on our duty for stand for justice. Mona no begin look only money for school fees, so now we collect them for rich people that are beginning for boarding school. But Mona call say me this school boycott me be effective. I mean, all man do it on party, me goes down and be effective. So that all man for all over the world, they go feel no say when one more separate. They go feel no clearly, because we know say when a gun there for una head, when not fit talk. The only way when I fit talk now for the ghost town and this school boycott. So me all man take and seriously. More talk for the whole world, say it don't be enough. We not get no future. If una want me see future, more na picking and see light.